Open now Photoshop. Open the photo. Select subject. Select and mask. And select layer and layer mask. Second photo open now. Select and copy now. First photo open and paste now. Translate now. Top layer select right bottom click and create clipping mask select. Screen mode select now. Add layer mask click. Brush tool open and foreground color black and brush now. Top layer select and solid color open. Adjust background color. Filter click and render select lens flare click. Select sun color. Thanks for watching.